Bye. This is a girl who's just out here playing, and I just want to give you an idea of how much snow there is here. You can get an idea when she walks up near a bank. I don't think I can even get it all in. So this is the road to her house. You can see it's obviously snowing like crazy still. Yeah, I can't quite get, I mean, some of these banks are 25 feet high, I think. So they've done a pretty good job plowing, it's just getting your car out. Yeah, this will give you an idea. Look at the banks of that house. Pretty crazy. And then on this side, have fun! Bye! Coming up on the next house. So that car, pretty much non-existent. You can hear the wind. Pretty much a blizzard out here. Skiing tomorrow. The one thing I should note is that this is not Sierra cement, this is light stuff. It's as light as it gets up here, which is making at least shoveling easier. And these are our neighbors. Let's see, the one car pulled in last night. The car behind it has been there for a little while, so about 3-4 feet of snow on it. And then back to our house. I've dug out a little portion of our car. And I'm gonna go back to work now. And that's our house. Awesome. Bye.